Hi guys, welcome back. My name is piyush.didolkar and you're watching BitNews India. Now to start with, like every day, let's discuss the column on the right side. Now the BTC buy price for today is rupees 3,28,217 rupees and the BTC sell is 3,14,268 rupees. Now as predicted by us, the BTC prices will remain constant and more stable between 3,20,000 rupees to 3,40,000 rupees in this week, and after that you will see a very stable and a gradual uptrend in the BTC. Now the top gainers in the last 24 hours are the ASCH coin. It has grown by 39% in the past 24 hours. Second is the Moneta. It's grown by 37.75% in the last 24 hours. And third is the Loopring coin. It has increased by 32.94% in the last 24 hours. Now guys, remember that the top gainers that we pick are from the top 100 currencies that are available. They are not being taken from the below ranked cryptocurrencies. They're just the top 100 cryptocurrencies that we pick and then we present them here. So these are the top 3 gainers for today in the last 24 hours. Now my investment picks for today. If you want to start investing today, you must go and invest into these coins. The first coin is the ATC coin. It's been featuring in the list for I don't know over a week now, and it's a really good stable coin. You know all about it. If you want to learn more about the coin, you can watch the previous videos. The second coin is the Litecoin. It's also been featuring in my list since a very long time now. And if you want to know about the Litecoin more and the price analysis, I've done the price analysis before, so you can go and check the previous videos as well. And the ATB coin is back in my featuring list because actually the ATB ICO was opened a few days ago and it ended on 1st September. I covered that news that time. Now what has happened is that it's going to take another week or two for the coin to get launched, and they're still offering a 10% discount on the token sale. So if you want to invest your money in the futures and in an initial coin offering, then I suggest you go and get the ATB coin. Now let's get to our news segment. So guys, in the main news today, there's a news that Uber, you know the company Uber, right? It's a technology company. Uber has gotten a new CEO. His name is Dara Khosrowshahi. Now, this guy was the CEO of Expedia. You must be knowing about Expedia since 2005. Now, this guy has been a big supporter of Bitcoin since a very long time, since it was launched. And what he did was that after the crash of 2013 when the cryptocurrencies fell, in 2014 he incorporated Bitcoin in the payment system of Expedia. So that was a very huge step globally that this person took, and he has always been supporting the Bitcoin. And once he did this, once Expedia started accepting Bitcoins as the payment, more big companies such as Dell, Microsoft, Rakuten.com, you must be knowing the name by buy.com. There was a website called buy.com. Now it has changed to Rakuten.com. All these companies in 2014-15 started accepting Bitcoins as the payment system. Now this was very huge, and this guy today has become the CEO of Uber. So it can be expected that very soon Uber might be starting to accept Bitcoins as their payment. And if that happens, you know, in India, Uber, you know, there are Uber car services, there are more technology driven things that Uber controls. Everything will be available through Bitcoins, the major being the taxi service that they provide. So in that you can pay your ride through Bitcoins. It will be possible very soon, and it should be possible very soon, but it's not confirmed yet. So now I will take you to the altcoin news. So guys, in the late 2015, a project called the Raiden project was started for the Ethereum blockchain, and the news is coming in that this project has been now developed and it has been sent into the testing phase. Now the alpha tests have already been completed and the beta test will follow soon. So as soon as the beta tests are over, this will be implemented into the Ethereum blockchain. Now what will happen is that this is basically a speed enhancing project that when it started, the Ethereum blockchain was not that stable, segwits didn't happen, and the transactional delays were very much. But now, after the segwits that have happened, the Ethereum blockchain has grown. Now the transactions have become faster, but to enhance the speed more, the Raiden project was commissioned. Now after the implementation of this project, what will happen is that the users will be able to do 10 lakh transactions per second through the Raiden product results. Now, what is happening is that, as you know, every day a lot of cryptocurrencies are being installed on the Ethereum blockchain or on the Bitcoin blockchain, which leads to a sudden flood of users coming in and trying to purchase or sell those cryptocurrencies. Now, to advance this, lightning speeds are being brought into the Ethereum blockchain, and the Raiden project is the biggest thing that could have ever happened to the Ethereum blockchain in terms of speed enhancing. Now guys, the resistance level for Ripple was rupees 14.5. It has broken this resistance level in the past week and has crossed it. Right now it has come down once again, but it has crossed the resistance level once. So in Ripple, what is going to happen is that the downward movement, whether it comes or it doesn't, it will be very smooth and very gradual. So big fluctuations won't be seen in this, that is for sure. So if you want to invest in futures, you can go and put your money in and wait for some time for it to grow. Now what Ripple is actually, it was developed by the company which took the software to big banks and non-banking financial corporations, and now the Ripple is being used as a method to transfer funds internationally. What happens is that international fund transfer takes a lot of time. It's actually impossible to move your funds physically from one country to another in a single day. It usually takes 2 days to do that. Now, since the introduction of Ripple, what has happened is that this has become very fast, and because of one standard rate, banks can transfer their money internationally very fast and quickly. So now coming back to the analysis, I would suggest that if you have bought Ripple at 9 or 10 rupees, or maybe up till 11.5 or 11 rupees, you can liquidate them, you can book your profits, and then you can wait to see an upward trend set up, as the resistance levels were breached, so it will attract more and more investors now. So you can liquidate your coins right now and then maybe wait for a week to see the uptrend set and buy them once again. So what will happen is that you will be able to buy them at a low price, and you will be able to book the profits too. Because one thing is for sure, that the fluctuations will be very gradual. They will be very smooth and gradual, and not a lot of fluctuations will be seen. So it is not available for a short-term gain, but it is a future investment that you can do right now after booking your profits too. So it's a good and stable coin. So I would suggest you do that. So this is it for today, and I'll see you every day like I see you. So with more pricing and more analysis from the altcoins also, and for the Bitcoin also. So log on every day. See you. Bye bye.